Hello, my cookies. Today we're getting out of the kitchen and going on a field trip to visit one of my favorite restaurants, Mojitos Bistro. Nestled in the heart of downtown Hammond, Louisiana, my little boring but beautiful city, this Cuban-inspired bistro has instantly become an escape from everyday life just as the owners intended. Walking into Mojitos Bistro instantly uplifts your mood. The music, the vibes from the vibrant colors, and my favorite part, the artwork. I love this place. But cookies, you know our focus is the bar. Yeah, we're here for the drinks. Hey! Mojitos uses 100% fresh fruit in all of their drinks, their cocktails, smoothies, and juices. Oh, and did I mention they have Cuban Espresso? Yeah, you won't sleep for a week. And Mojitos Bistro was gracious enough to invite us over to learn 2 of their signature cocktails. So, bring on the booze. These lovely hands belong to Jennifer. She's showing us the blueberry mojito by first tearing mint leaves, then squeezing in some lime juice. Now, smash it all together. Next, drop in some fresh blueberries and smash it good. Now 2.5 ounces of white rum. Give it a gentle stir right before pouring in some fresh blueberry puree. Then fill the glass all the way to the top with ice. Lastly, top it off with club soda, but I think Mojitos uses something else. Give it a stir and enjoy this refreshing, semi-sweet cocktail, the blueberry mojito. Moving on to our second cocktail, and this one is called the, hold up, new set of hands. Cookies, meet Chris, the self-proclaimed mastermind of the bar. And once he tastes his drinks, you'll know it's true. He's a wizard. I mean, look at the pour. Alright, back to the drink. He starts with an earthy yet sweet blackberry whiskey. He follows it with lemon juice. Now Chris is adding ice, fresh blackberries, and he's gonna shake it up. This drink, Catrin, or The Gentlemen, is a bit more complex because Chris tops it off with a Pinot Noir floater. Add a splash of simple syrup and you'll have Mojito's tropical twist on the famous Manhattan Sour. Both of these handcrafted cocktails were amazing and incredibly refreshing, but let's head back over to the bar for my favorite drink. The mastermind himself decided to make me my own signature drink. Now, this drink is so exclusive, I can't give you the recipe. You have to visit Mojitos to try Coop's Pineapple Mojito Martini. Hand it over. Thank you. Special thanks to my friends Jennifer and Chris over at Mojitos Bistro. I'll have all of Mojitos information down there in the description box, along with the 2 amazing drink recipes that they shared with us today. Thank you so much for watching, cookies. I really hope you enjoyed our field trip. Until next time, be blessed.